How's that roux looking?
Almost there, need a little more color. The gumbo is tasting good though.
All right, the color is just right.
Ready with the vegetables, chef.
In they go. Hear that sizzle? Everything looks great. That's the holy trinity we needed for the gumbo.
This mixture is essential for the flavor. These vegetables will eventually stop the cooking of the roux in the gumbo.
This hot fat is the first component of the roux. Roux, the most critical step in gumbo making.
The mixture has darkened to a tan peanut butter color. It thickens slightly. The chef lowers the heat.
The roux reaches its final stage, a deep, dark brick red, almost black. It smokes slightly. Add the minced garlic to the pot. Cook it quickly, just 30 seconds to avoid bitterness, then stir rapidly.
The sliced andouille sausage is seared on a flat top. Fat renders out. The edges become crispy. The chef flips.
The gumbo is now fully loaded with protein. The dark roux liquid covers the meat in the kitchen vessel.
Oil from the roux and sausage rises to the top. The chef uses a ladle to carefully skim this oil off. This creates a cleaner taste. Fresh green okra pods are sliced into rounds. Okra is a natural thickener. Some chefs fry it first to remove slime. This is filet powder, ground sassafras leaves, an earthy thickener used in Cajun cooking, which complements the roux.
Heads up, coming through with the gumbo.
Yes, chef. Rice is set. Let's go.
Two chicken and sausage gumbo. Gumbo complete. Service, please.
Mmm.
Some kitchens sell jars of pre-made dark roux. It allows home cooks to skip the hard part of the gumbo.
For 5 generations, the roux has been the heart of our family's gumbo. It's a tradition we're proud to pass down.
You need patience for the roux. The gumbo, that is my art. And this kitchen, this is my studio.
Vegetable scraps from the Trinity are composted. Shrimp shells are boiled for stock. The kitchen minimizes waste while making the
Here you go, enjoy the gumbo. Oh wow, that smells incredible, thank you.
The perfect consistency. It is not watery, nor is it sludge. It coats the spoon. This is the mark of a perfect roux mastery in the kitchen.
gumbo brings people together. The kitchen is the heart of the community. The roux binds the meal.